In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Wise account on FIVERR. This can be a handy way to manage your finances, especially if you're working with international clients. Let's walk through this process together, step by step, so you can get everything set up without any hassles. First, you'll want to start by opening the FIVERR website. Once you're on the home page, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. That's where your profile is located. After you've located it, go ahead and click on it. This will reveal a drop-down menu. It's where you can manage various aspects of your account. After you've opened the menu, you'll need to navigate to the account settings. It's pretty straightforward. Just look for the option that says Account Settings and click on it. This will take you to a page where you can manage all your account preferences. Within this section, you'll see an option labeled Account Security. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this area because it's where you can make secure changes to your account details. Take a moment to review any security settings you might want to update. Once you've ensured that everything is just the way you want it, you'll need to return to your profile page. Next up is the Billing and Payments section. Once you're back on your profile, keep an eye out for Billing and Payments in the menu options. Click on it, as this is where you'll manage everything related to payments on FIVERR. It's important to ensure that all your financial details are correctly set up to make receiving and managing payments as smooth as possible. In this section, you'll find an option that says Payment Methods. Moving forward, click on Payment Methods to reach the area designated for adding and managing your online payment accounts. Now that you're there, you'll want to click on Add a Payment Method. This is where you'll be able to input your Wise account details. It's crucial here to make sure that you enter all the information accurately, so double-check each field before you proceed. Whether it's the name, account number, or any other required detail, accuracy is key to ensure everything gets set up correctly. Once you've entered your Wise account information, FIVERR will guide you through the steps necessary to verify and activate this new payment option. Make sure to follow any additional instructions FIVERR might provide, as they could require confirmation or verification through Wise or another security method. And there you have it. With these simple steps, your Wise account is now linked to your FIVERR profile, allowing you to manage your payments more efficiently. Thank you for watching, and good luck with all your future projects on FIVERR.